Walk into just about any classroom and you will find one. A dark green board on the wall, lined with pieces of chalk and felt eraser. Chalkboards, also commonly known as blackboards, have long been a part of daily classroom life. As in all the art of teaching requires skills that must be developed through practice, drill, and hard work. Basic to all good teaching is a thorough planning, and although some educators prone upon rigid, inflexible lesson plans, an organized, systematic outline of proposed classroom activities will be of great help to the teacher in making the most effective use of instructional materials. One of the important instructional material inside the classroom is the chalkboard. Chalkboard is a reusable writing area or surface on which text or drawings are made with sticks of calcium sulfate, known when used for this purpose as chalk. Chalk is a soft white limestone that teachers used in writing on the board a certain lesson or topic to be discussed in the class. And after the discussion, students are responsible to clean the board and delete all the information written on the board by means of an eraser.
Dito enjoyable. Ang konting aralan, konting bulakbol. Nandito na lahat, magdaldalat bulon. Ito na nga, yeah! Kulbubol, ah, ahoo, yes, kulbubol, ah.
A chalkboard can simply be a piece of board painted with matte dark paint, usually black or dark green. The chalkboard is never outdated. It is a convenient writing area where illustrations can instantly be drawn even during a discussion. Chalkboard is the teacher's most valuable tool and is easily available. It is inexpensive and easy to install. It can accommodate so much writing space and easy to clean. Topics can be listed, deleted, or revised to a final form. It is convenient to use for both formally prepared lessons or for spontaneous sessions. The attention of the class can easily be held and focused and is being located usually in front of the room.
Nandito kami ngayon, nagsusumikap sa araw-araw. Kahit ng kayod hanggang sa mabakot, maaga pa nang natatanaw. Paminsan-minsan ay naglalaro, pag-ibig lang ang di ginagawang biro. Yung sa tuksuhan lang hindi pa huli, kinabukasan ay tinatabi. Paminsan-minsan ay nabibigo, sakit sa puso ay hindi maitago. Ngunit tuloy pa rin hindi pinapansin, ang kabuhayan ay intindihin.
Having been audited, okay, in the past, the past participle of also they give an example of the present participle. Give an example of present participle. Yes, present participle. Oh, the verb with ing. Well, let us have first the present participle and kindly use it in a sentence. Emil. Okay, yes. Drinking water. Water. What kind of water? Okay, so yes, it is the present participle and what does it describe? Okay, yes, water. What type of water? It's the drinking. So, even though that it's a verb, but its function is what? What is the function of this? Yes, so the function of this is adjective. What do you mean by adjective? Yes, modify. Okay then, different versions of modify. Yes, right. Okay, so another is the past participle. Okay, give an example of past participle. Okay, yes, a broken. Okay, so broken. And then, okay, you modify. And also what kind of glass? Okay, yes, it's a broken glass. Okay, so another example.
Here are some guidelines on how to use the chalkboard correctly and effectively. Guidelines number 1. Make sure that the chalkboard and erasers are clean and maintained. Chalk must be available after the class starts. Guideline number 2. Plan ahead what you are going to write on the board. Guideline number 4. Write legibly and neatly. Start writing from the left to the right. Guideline number 4. Stand in such a way that you don't block the view of the students when writing. Guideline number 5. Avoid talking to the board while writing. Guidelines number 6. Never use the hands for erasing. Guidelines number 7. Clean the board after using so it will be ready for the next teaching week. Guidelines number 8. Don't draw graphs, diagrams, and other figures on the board. The use of the transparency or OHP will be more effective and efficient.